you guys staring at? Jazzy. What are you staring at? Did you see ghosts or something? What are you staring at? I can't even see you in the camera. Your eye. Gotta go closer. What are you staring at, baby? I think I know what their problem is. Darn rain. I was gonna go for a bike ride. Darn rain. Arr. Do the intro.
Welcome to Kevin and Jazzy Show.
Hi guys, how you guys doing today? I'm doing okay. It's just raining. I hate it. I was gonna go for a bike ride. Run one errand, but weather sucks. It is raining outside. Oh yeah. I want to talk about the rain. Rain. You know, is it raining over there, or you're planning on doing something and it wasn't raining before, then it just rained? Leave the comments below about that. Yeah. I want to talk about stupid movies. What is up with that? You know. Yeah. Have you guys ever thought a movie? Oh, I want to see this movie. Oh, it's hyped it up, and I was like, really? That's what happened to me a couple nights ago. Actually, last night we were watching a movie because we get it for free, and it was like, really? It wasn't stupid funny or anything like that. It was, we didn't even, first 10 minutes of it was like, or 20 minutes was like, we stopped. Hope you guys like that. I don't. What are you doing, Salem? Huh? I guess he's chilling out, and I am too. They're sleeping, like always. But anyways, I wish it wasn't raining. God, it would ruin my plans. I'm supposed to go to the bank and stuff, to banks, but nope, I'm not going in the rain. I don't want to get sick. But we had a good dinner last night. We had Mexican. We had ham and beans, and the day before that we had Mexican meatloaf. You always make ham and beans. It's really good. I love it. Don't you think so? Yep. So it deferred my plans. So I was going to stay here on the computer or go back to bed for a little bit. Hi, Jazzy.
Yes, Daddy. I'm walking away from you. I don't want to be on camera.
You have to be on camera, Jazzy. You have to. Jazzy. Oh, only play my Emmy board. Okay. Scratch. So yeah, I guess today's a rainy day and boring. So I guess I'll just do it. Make sure you guys, right? Salem. Right?
Yep.
Oh, I like my girlfriend. Yep, I just want to say thank you for subscribing to me. Hope you guys subscribe for more awesome. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you guys follow my links, and please hit the subscribe button if you haven't. And if this is the first video you ever seen, I'm Kevin, and that's Jazzy right there, and I love y'all. I'll see you guys when I see you later.